The 31st method is to earn money online is the startup podcast. Potential earning rupees 5,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month. Time needed 3 to 4 hours day. One good way of expressing your passion and making money at the same time is by starting a podcast. A podcast is a digital audio or video file that a user can download on a computer or mobile. With an increasing demand for audio only content, podcasts have become a great way to earn money online. As a podcaster, you can either promote products as a part of an affiliate marketing program or design online courses to teach. You can even earn huge if you partner with sponsor and advertiser if you are partner. However, you would require an audience of about 5 to 10,000 listeners per month to work with them. Future Learn, Udemy, and Skillshare are some of the common platforms with course to help start your own podcast. Considering the tools and technologies available today, having a professionally produced podcast is not very difficult. You can then get your podcasts syndicated on iTunes. Moreover, if you have your own products and services, you can mention those on your podcast to advertise them. You can even promote products and services owned by others and earn a commission. At times, when people are driving for working out the gym, they switch onto the podcast to entertain themselves. Such times, besides other instances, make podcast a great way to make money. Here are some useful ways in which podcasters can make substantial profit. You can click on the green button named as useful ways. The 32 method is self design and artwork. Potential earning variable. Time needed 2 to 3 hours week. Figure out how to sell your art online may leave you checking your paintbrush out of the box in frustration. That has helped you here. Why not make some money out of the eye-catching pieces that you have created? The best way to make money through your artwork is by promoting it through your own website or social media page. This process may require a lot of time and effort, but can turn out to be an extremely lucrative one over time. Here, you will need to build your own online store and upload your saleable pieces. You can come up with some creative captions for your post and further ensure the price the product. You may also make one-time investment in the form of sponsored ads to invite traffic to your website. Enthusiastic about art but too lazy to build your online store? Don't worry, you can always resort to quick and easy ways. With the development of various online selling portals, it is now easy for you to display and sell your artwork to people across the globe. Whether you are an art director, illustrator, or 3D artist, platforms such as Cupic will allow you to monetize your creativity by selling your work as art, prints, canvas, prints, posters, greeting cards, t-shirts, mugs, and other beautiful products. You can now earn real money online. You can easily get up to 70% of the sale amount that you fix. So what are you waiting for? Explore and know how your passion can make your money online. The third and the last method is take up a virtual internship. Potential earning rupees 2,000 to 20,000 rupees per month. Time needed 3 to 4 hours per day. If you are willing to earn money online and gain some industry exposure while you studying, a virtual internship might be a worth considering. You can engage in a work experience program without being present at the job location. As you scout, you can find you can find plenty of internships available online. Platforms such as Internshala, Let's Intern, and Youth for Work can be your focus area. You even have the convenience of applying through the interactive app. Simply create an account on any of the portals and build an effective resume. You will may also required to answer questions or two as you apply. This will be used as first-hand information by the employer before your selection. Before you apply, make room in your schedule to devote enough time to internship. You must go through the roles and responsibilities of the job carefully. The best part about a virtual internship is that you can work at your own pace. What's more, as for perks, you will obtain a certificate of internship along with the stipend. Sounds amazing, does not it? Read here to know about kinds of internship you can apply to. Hope you liked our in-depth list on how to earn money online in India. You can pick any method given in list and start making money. It can be both part-time and full-time. You can also check out how to earn money, solving capture, how to make money with ebooks, translate and earn money. And the next read method, how to earn money by become a Wow affiliate. Thank you so much.